Hi, I'm Isabella. I am a macrame artist and tutor. Today I'm going to show you how to make the double half Hitch knot. Let's get started. Subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Take the first string and use it as a guide. Place it over all your strings. Then take the string next to it and go over your guide, fold it behind and through the loop. Now repeat, over the guide, behind and through the loop. Every string goes around your guide twice. For more macrame techniques and inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.